In this video, I'll show you guys how you can put a clip in slow motion on Kinemaster. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this, and we'll get started right now. So to start this off, I actually opened up a clip in my timeline, and that's what you want to do as well. So this is the clip that I want to put in slow motion. Now in order to do that, all you need to do is click on it. Now once you click on it, you'll actually find different features right there, and you should be able to find speed right there. First of all, so step number one, click on speed. Next up, you can actually play around with the speed. So if you slide to the right, you'll actually go to the left, if that makes sense, and you'll then find 0.5, which is 50%, and you'll find 12.5% as well. So if you choose any of these two, you will actually put your clip in slow motion. You will just see that if I speed this up, my clip will get way shorter, and it's pretty much the same if you put it in slow motion, it will be way longer. As you can see right there, it's a very long clip right now, although it's just like a 1 minute recording. But that's how you can pretty much put a clip in slow motion. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.